You have traffic on your website and you have LiveChat installed, but no one is starting a chat with you, and you look something like this. If you're currently in that situation, don't worry, you've clicked on the right video. There are many things you can do to fix that quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you have 14 quick ways to get more chats, so let's get into it. Let's start with the simplest thing. Since you have LiveChat, make your customers notice it. By increasing the visibility of the chat widget on your website and meeting your customers where they are, you can get those numbers up. So it's obvious that one of the first things you can do is create a chat widget that's impossible to miss. You can grab your visitors' attention while increasing user response with an eye catcher that is also easily customizable, retina ready, and responsive. To set up your eye-catching targeted message and check its performance, in the LiveChat agent app, go to Settings, Engagement, and Targeted Messages. You can test different kinds of images, colors, and action buttons to see what converts. We actually have a whole tutorial on setting up eye catchers. I'll leave a link down below. Moving on, let's talk about improving chat UX with accessibility. Now, obviously you want your customers to have easy access to the chat widget on your website. LiveChat's chat widget is actually fully keyboard accessible to text-to-speech readers, and all default colors have a contrast score of 4.5 or higher. This means that customers who are visually impaired or have diverse accessibility needs can just as easily start a chat with your team. I'll leave a link for you down below if you want to learn more about the accessibility of the LiveChat chat widget. Number 3, stay open and be available. You want your customers to know that they can feel free to contact you whenever they need, so switch your availability to always. Yes, always. This way your customers can start a chat or leave a message, and later on your agents can pick it up whenever they start their shift. This is called asynchronous communication. You can actually use the chat availability report to see when the majority of customers come to chat with your team. This can help you better optimize your agent's shifts. Number 4, use many languages. You want to make customers or potential customers feel welcome in their native tongue. Now, you can hire some agents who know the languages of the markets you care about, or you can try to translate the entire conversation through Google Translate. This could work if you have 1 or 2 chats per hour, but if you have a lot more, then I suggest finding a tool that does it all in one go, like the message translator integration we have, which lets you provide service in the customer's preferred language. It can reduce operational costs since you won't need to hire a team of multilingual reps. It detects and translates both your team's and customers' messages in real time. And it also saves you a lot of time compared to jumping back and forth from a translation app. So definitely give it a try. Number 5, integrate LiveChat with messaging apps. Here's a popular saying that I like to use a lot. You don't need to be everywhere, but you need to be everywhere your customers are. You want your customers to conveniently reach you where and when they want. Now, if you are in the US, they will most likely be on Apple Messages. iMessage. And outside of the US, they are very likely to be on WhatsApp or Telegram. And yes, in this day and age, we have integrations for that, like Apple Messages for Business, WhatsApp Business, or Telegram. You see, DM apps integrated with LiveChat allow your customers to start a business conversation in a way that feels familiar and convenient. And as for your team, well, they have all communication in one place. Number 6, add a chat logo to your communication and social media. By adding a chat page link to the footers of your emails, newsletters, and social media posts, you are giving your audience the option of engaging with you as they interact with your content. The chat link allows them to start a chat immediately. It's quick, simple, and builds trust. Number 7, join LiveChat with social media. If your business has a social media account, you can use it as a channel to communicate with your customers. If you have a Facebook page for your business, make sure to integrate Facebook Messenger with LiveChat. By doing so, you'll be able to handle chats from your Facebook page in the LiveChat agent app, meaning you'll have all your communication in one place. And listen to this. If you get contact requests via Instagram DMs, let your team handle them with the Instagram for Business integration. Communicating with your audience through social media has become as important as communicating with your customers through messaging apps. Number 8, place the chat widget on all pages. Make sure to add LiveChat to all your product pages. By doing so, it can ensure your clients can reach you whenever they need help. By having the chat widget on all pages, you'll have a helpful shop assistant that will go out of their way to help with your customers' purchase decisions. The chat widget will recreate that feeling and answer questions on all the pages of your website. Number 9, make your chat widget visible. Customize it to match your brand and fit your target audience. With LiveChat's Live Editor, you can customize it literally on your website to match the look and feel of your site. You can change the appearance of your chat widget, the positioning, and how it looks on mobile, and a lot more. I made a full-on tutorial for customizing the chat widget. I'll leave a link down below for you. For now, let's move on to providing the human touch. Customers appreciate seeing who they're chatting with. If they're talking to a human, they'd like to know they're talking to a human. If they're talking with an AI, then they'd like to know they're talking to an AI. Get it? Getting back to it, you can add photos to your team's agent profiles or pick a photo from our gallery of default faces. Now, profile pictures for agents and their names are essential. However, it is equally important not to sound robotic. Remember, people on the other end of the conversation come to you to learn about your product or want you to solve a problem. This is where empathy and the ability to convey this through text will come in handy. These activities eventually lead to satisfied customers and returning customers. Number 11, don't make your customers wait. When you are clearly online and available, you want to ensure enough agents to handle the volume of customers on chat. In LiveChat, you can use the staffing prediction report to figure out how many people are needed to handle the traffic. This way, you'll always be prepared in advance for peak hours. Number 12, get rid of pre-chat forms. Deleting entry forms actually depends on your business goals. If you disable the pre-chat forms, you eliminate one extra step for your customers to start a chat. Another way to make the whole starting a chat process faster is by eliminating all unnecessary fields and only making the data processing field as required. Number 13, connect customers with the right department. This is called routing rules. They allow you to direct customers from specific pages or locations to an appropriate agent or team. What this means is by using routing rules, you'll be able to connect your customers from different countries with agents who speak their language, customize the chat widget of each website, or completely turn off the chat widget on specific pages. We'll actually have a video coming out soon on the topic, so you know what to do. Number 14, encourage contact. Be proactive. If you set up proactive chat invitations with a delay, then the customers who possibly hesitated on a product page will receive an automatic message nudging them to start a chat. And with all the knowledge we've gathered, we can claim that customers who chat convert. Apart from welcoming visitors to your store, these automatic invitations called greetings can actually be used to generate leads, automate targeted marketing, guide customers around your website, schedule appointments, and more. Whether you're just starting out, looking to switch your support or sales from phone to chat, or you just want to see a higher volume of chats to generate more leads, these small changes will help you achieve your goals. Now you know 14 quick and easy things you can do to get more chats with your customers. Go and try them out. See you soon.